Welcome back. So let's continue from where we left off. We were trying to model this, so we are almost done. Let's try and model this part, and I think this part we are done. Okay, so let's see. So if you look at this carefully, we're having some things going on here, so we've got to be quite careful. Okay, so I will draw a box, maybe like so. Don't forget I'm auto gridding. Bring it out, W, to move it into perspective. Not bad. Let's convert it to a deep poly. Okay, and come in here, polygon. Let's take this in. I think it's okay like this. Okay. So let's see. So we might have to insert extrude. Okay, not clear. Maybe extrude twice. I don't know. So let's start. Okay, so let's zoom in. Let's insert first. Insert. Let's extrude. Extrude inside like so. I don't know whether we should insert again. Maybe I just need a small value. Okay, I just need a bit of an insert. Okay, for something like this I might just have to go to my settings. Here I can, what's happening here? Let's do that again. Insert, right? Click here. Okay, it's not giving me what I want anyways, but I think okay, doing it manually might be the best. Okay, let's just see. Let's just click insert. Okay, maybe extrude again. I'm just thinking something like this. Okay, so just trying to come up with some detail, but this is not looking like what I'm having here. So for this I would just maybe just extrude twice or something. Extrude again and push this in. Extrude. Okay, something like this. But I felt that we could have inserted once and come up with something more like it, but it's fine. It's fine. So the next thing is the top, right? The top. Okay, the top. So what are we going to do? Very simple. We're going to use our what view actually. Let me see this actually. I'm coming. Let's take this up. Okay, we're going to use our front view as a guide because let's click this. Let's go to our vertex. Let's highlight this. Okay, I think let's use our two-way view at this point. Two-way view. Okay, okay, two-way view. You can come here and click your two-way view if you want. So let's use a two-way view at this point, and I think we would appreciate it more. So right now, when I selected all of this, I was able to select these two edges. So I would right-click in order not to deselect, push this downward, or if I like, I can select this both. Let's see. I got to be careful here. Okay, maybe I should push this to bring this down a bit. Okay, because push this downwards like so. Is that fine? Push this downward, zoom in, select this, bring it down. Then I can still push this down if I want. So hope you see the beauty of modeling, and then take this upward a bit. You'll not see what's happening here, but it's inside. Okay, then take this upward. I just want to match up everything. Okay, so you see that from this view I've been able to come up with something like this. Alright, so looking at this, we have polygon at top and stuff like that. So we could just come in here. We have two options. Should we autograde it on this surface? That might be timely for us. Okay. Okay, that might fly. Okay, W. Then push this, convert it to 18 poly. Let's see again. Okay, and for this we are going to hit a polygon and push this inside. Push this inside too, a bit outside. Okay, and maybe click this side and push it in. Okay, for this now it will not work because it's not towards the normal. So I would go to my view, choose local. So with this now it goes towards the normal inside like so. So finally I will need to just click this and maybe a bit out. If I like, let's see. I think this is cool, and we're having some details like for me I don't need that anyways, but let's just add that there. So what I see at the top there is maybe an inserting, which I don't need. Okay, and I think that is all. Okay, so let's see. So basically that is that. Okay, that is that. So I've been able to model this part. So all that is remaining for us is this other part. Okay, so basically I will draw let's say a box here, come out a bit. Okay, then go in, convert to 80 poly, and I have my polygon here. Click this like we did earlier. Okay, I got to add some detailings 1, 2, 3. So I go to my edges, click this, go back to my view. We had to go to a local for normal, so go back to view and hold down Control and click this. So next thing is I'm going to connect. In this case I'll click this here, increase it to 3, maybe increase the spacing like so. Go to my chamfer and zoom in, increase this a bit. I don't need that line in the middle, so bring it down, kill it. Okay, alright. So polygon, click this, click this, click this. So maybe I extrude this in. Okay, so that could be that for that. Then we're going to be having another polygon up there, so I could just decide to draw something else here. Maybe we could autograde this. Okay, upward. Sorry. Alright, so we're having something interesting here. So I could just convert to a table poly 2. At this point, come to my polygon, click this, it will bring it out a bit. Okay, at this point I would love to use my, I think that should be my left view. Could that be my left view? Let's see which one. Back, okay, back view, yeah. Okay, I would love to, you can see, make sure it lines up well. Maybe click this polygon and take it up a bit. Anyways, looking at this as a reference though, but I would click this and take it backwards. So let's see what we have now. Let's see. So that's that basically. Then maybe we could duplicate this or downwards. I'm using that side as a guide, maybe instance. Okay, so that's that. What's W? So here, that brings us to the end of the modeling. Let's have our plane. Let's see, plane here, W. Sorry, for this plane, orthography should be off. Okay, you just want your plane to be on the floor. W, and move this in like so. Maybe let's stretch this. So here, that brings us to the end of this simple modeling. So we've been able to model this from start to finish. So in the next video, we're going to be texturing this all together. So let's see, default shading, you can see. So when we texture this, this will come back to life. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.